My name is Aliana Von Richtofen from Wellesley, Massachusetts, and I'm a victim of severe civil rights violations in terms of trial court corruption. My case was an egregious case of employer retaliation against a well-connected Boston corporation, the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, where I was senior writer. When the case went to trial, the trial judge misinformed the jury on a crucial question during the deliberations that caused them to side with Dana-Farber, although they had actually found the correct ruling for me in terms of this case being a retaliation case. When the case went to the appeals court filed and argued the denial according to the legal standard for employment discrimination instead of employment retaliation. Both of these offenses fall under discrimination law, but the legal standard of proof to prevail is significantly different for each charge. We then went to the Supreme Judicial Court that, given the fact that already 3 judges seem to have been misinformed on the proper legal standard for a retaliation claim, we expected this court to rule appropriately and according to the proper legal standard. But the case was denied on a denial form which had a mayor clerk's signature on it. We also filed a petition for special review of legal standard, asking the court to ask whether the proper standard had been applied. The denial stood, and I went to review my physical case file because I had seen misfilings on the internet docket. And when I came to the court to look at the file, I was told it was inexplicably missing. I contacted the court, the Chief Justice as overseer of the clerk's office about this allegedly missing file, and the court's lawyer sent me some documents which he claimed he had retrieved. How he could have retrieved anything if the file was missing is highly doubtful. Also, the fact that when sending these documents, he clearly exposed the fact that this file was not missing, but according to the documents that he sent me, I could see that a significant amount had been altered on the documents, including dates. Some documents had been severely shortened, and all in all, 8 still were missing or had been doctored. This is really not acceptable. It's more reminiscent of the Nazis changing the laws in the 1930s to suit their own purposes, and very offensive to me, who came to the United States expecting to live in a democracy. In order for things to change at this highest court, the Supreme Judicial Court of Massachusetts, no less, where I was told this is a routine situation, there needs to be a change in terms of the rules and regulations on how the clerks handle files. Also, there needs to be an oversight committee to overlook the activities of this court, so that it is less likely that these kind of violations occur.